Good afternoon everybody, this is Captain Roy's Adventures on this sunny afternoon in the UK. I just wanted to very quickly just show you what vloggers use in their arsenal. So from right to left I have a GoPro 11, next to that I have the Insta360 for all round vision. Following on from that I have the Osmo Pocket 2, which is great, it's a 3-axis gimbal on it. On from that I have the Osmo 6 for the phone, because I'm obviously got a phone in the pocket, I can't use it on that. Below that I've got DJI Mic 2s, and our new thing is the little one there, which is the Neo drone. Again, DJI make a fortune from us bloggers. Okay, have a good day.